still can balance, right? Big up all of the nice, clean girl them. Everybody must have Miss Kitty Blanc and make some nice, no man.
Alright, so we'll go on YouTube. So today is another Answer This segment, and I'm here at Reggae Sumfest 2019. Now, Lipstyck should have a song we call Unstoppable Warrior. And so what I want to do is just walk around and ask the people, them give them some options, and from the list, them choose who represent the warrior Zina warrior princess type of energy and attitude there. Okay, so let's hear what they have to say and answer this.
I'm a warrior. Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable. Yes, I am. Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable.
Alright, so I'm there with Keshina Walker at Reggae Sumfest 2019. So Lipstyck should have a song that's called Unstoppable Warrior. So listen to this list and tell me which woman you feel is truly unstoppable. Okay? So Veronica Campbell, Shelly and Fraser Price, and Merlene Atti.
I say Shelly.
There's a Shelly, and why?
Well, you know, sometimes it's difficult to come back after a child, and she's come back and she's still in.
Boss.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here.
So wait there, so you say Shelly and Fraser.
Definitely.
Okay, makes sense because I know so she get the injury and she still fight back and
she had her baby and she came back and she's still in good
qualified for the team and beer things.
I'm a queen, I'm a diva.
I'm gonna give you a list of women and you tell me who you feel is a unstoppable warrior. You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Taraji P. Henson, Gabrielle Union, and Kerry Washington.
Oh my goodness.
Who are the real unstoppable woman? The woman they will have determination, like hard working, passionate, them something there.
Why they rough, you know, or rough list?
I know it's rough, let me make sure make it hard for you.
But I think I'm gonna go with Taraji.
Oh, Taraji, okay,
Yes,
yeah.
I'm gonna go with Taraji.
Why?
One, because when she talks about her struggle and her climb to where she's at in Hollywood, you know, when she started at like 27, I think, and she said, listen, everybody told her she was too old. And she came to Hollywood with what, $700 in her pocket and a child on her hip. Trust me. And
tell me which one of the woman you feel like have the ultimate warrior spirit there. Okay? I'm trying to go for this now. You know about Jamaica and the personality them, right?
Yeah.
So, Barbara, Candy, and Mackerel. Which one of them you think are the true ultimate warrior? Like if I fight for go on between them, I try it's like who strong, who have the nanny and the maroon there, who'll buck up the conqueror type of energy there.
First of all, it's Barbara, you know, it's Candy.
So one person you know, so you're gonna pick. You don't know who Barbara is?
It's Barbara, the wow girl.
No, Candy are the wow girl. Barbara are the sticky one, the skinny one, the potato that try boss.
I Candy have the warrior spirit.
Oh, Candy, where you say right now?
So much people talk about wow.
Yeah.
So tired, puss in the face.
Alright, so Lipstyck show a song called Unstoppable Warrior. So listen to this list and tell me who you feel epitomizes the title. Okay? Aishana.
Okay.
Vanessa Bling.
Okay.
And Maka Diamond. Unstoppable Warrior.
Maka Diamond still the boat, you know, man. She's still doing her thing. She work hard.
So Maka Diamond you pick.
Boy, you know.
Diamond, no.
Diamond have it still.
Yes, so Maka
She's
Diamond.
unstoppable for real, mate. You can't kill her.
Yeah.
She always jump back in.
Years no go fat.
Years.
Alive.
Man, wicked. No, why man stay so? No, never me say so. Maka, man, not this year.
I'm a warrior.
Very big, bad and bold woman, and I want you to tell me which one of them you feel is the epitome of an unstoppable warrior woman. Ready?
Okay.
Lil Kim, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B.
Cardi B.
Why you pick Cardi B?
Oh wow, she's just a bomb. She's fire.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm there with nice clean Vanet at Reggae Sumfest 2019. Ready?
Right.
So I have Faye Ellington, Merlene Atti, and Spice. A Spice you pick?
Yes.
Okay, you never waste of time. Why you think that she's like an unstoppable warrior woman?
Well, Spice do a good job performing at Rebel Salute.
Yeah.
And I gotta tell you, every year I'm here at Reggae Sumfest.
I'm performing at Rebel Salute last night. She's great. She's that type of unstoppable person and always on the go.
Yeah. All right, make up yourself, Spice.
Right.
You get picked.
Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable. Yes, I am.
All right, so I'm there with Tristan. I know a new artist, Lipstyck. She have a song called Unstoppable Warrior. So I'm gonna give you a list of 3 women, and you tell me who you feel capture that title. Okay? So we have Oprah, Michelle Obama, and Ellen.
Well, I'd go for Oprah. Yeah, she's more of my type of inspiration.
Oh, okay, you're more drawn to the Oprah vibe there.
Yeah.
Okay, so why? Why you feel like so she's an unstoppable warrior?
Well, knowing her story or partially knowing her story, it's similar to mine. So I can take from her and become a better me.
I'm a leader, and yes, I'm setting my trend, so watch me teach you.
Alright, so our artist Lipstyck, she have a song that is called Unstoppable Warrior. So what I want you to do now is to list the 3 names I'm gonna give you and tell me which one of them you feel like is the ultimate unstoppable warrior. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Faye Ellington,
Yeah.
Oprah Winfrey, Mackerel.
Oprah Winfrey.
Where's the Mackerel?
No, Oprah Winfrey.
Oh, Oprah, why you pick Oprah Winfrey?
Why would I choose mackerel?
I don't know, maybe. You know, she's unstoppable when it comes to taking man. No girl can take man like her. Maybe that is the unstoppable
I don't
thing.
believe that.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. You don't believe in that something then? So you say Oprah Winfrey.
Yeah.
Why though?
Because I just believe that she's a powerful woman, and of course powerful women are unstoppable.
Yeah, man, makes sense.
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself, Shelby.
I'm a queen, I'm a diva.
So I want you now to tell me which one of them here you feel is an unstoppable warrior woman. I'm gonna make this the Kardashian edition. Ready?
Kardashian.
Hold on.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian.
Okay.
Ready? Kylie Jenner. Kris Jenner.
Unstoppable.
Yeah, which one of them now?
Because Chris stands behind the scenes, I'm gonna say Chris, because she gets everything done.
Yeah,
so she put everyone in where they need
the
to
millionaires
be.
and all kind of
Exactly.
things.
So I take Chris. I take Chris.
All right, and a good answer. You know where the money there. Okay. Whoa, you see the life that I'm living here at Reggae Sumfest 2019? So now, the question, right? So Lipstyck have a song called Unstoppable Warrior. So I'm going to give you a list of women and you tell me which woman you feel like really unstoppable. Ready? Faye Ellington, Louise Bennett, Barbara Gludan. Who you feel like, you know, are the real hard-working, unstoppable woman. No matter what life throw at them still press on. Who would I pick as the real hard-working woman then?
I think it would be Faye Ellington because I know her story. I know what she's been through. And, you know, and I'm so proud of her the way she has taken over Profile and made it her own. So she's really that. I love when she MCs and everything. She's wonderful.
Excellent pick.
Yes.
So listen to this list and pick who you think best capture that definition there. All right? Michelle Obama, Ellen, Jada Pinkett Smith. Which one of them?
Ooh. I'd have to say Michelle Obama.
Yeah,
because she has been constantly criticized.
Yeah.
Yet she, you know, has proven to be unstoppable. She still pushes
still
forward.
press on.
Nobody can stop her. No breaks to the pan for her.
Yes. No mate can run
Michelle,
in.
no mate, your man. You don't know about that. So I'd have to say Michelle Obama.
All right, yeah, man. Good selection.
Unstoppable, unstoppable, unstoppable.
And so, you're going to tell me which one of them girls you feel like have the unstoppable warrior spirit there. Lisa Anna, Pampute, all right, and then last but least, and Maka Diamond.
Wow.
Lisa Anna, Pampute, and Maka Diamond. Who you feel have the unstoppable
you
warrior
want,
spirit?
You want the diplomatic response because I have one.
Yeah, give me the 2 responses that you have, yeah.
The reality is that each of them is from different realms. One is politically, and the other entertainment. And I think politically, I can say yes for Lisa Anna because I've seen her work having an unstoppable warrior, despite any feedback or negative feedback that she gets from the country. And on top of that, I can say Pampute. And I pick her overall as an unstoppable warrior because she has demonstrated, despite how hard the dancehall or the entertainment industry is, that guess what, I'm still going after what I want. And my voice will be heard. So bless up yourself, Pampute, you're nice and you're clean. And you must say unstoppable warrior with it, yeah?
You see that? That is why. You see how she's eloquent with it a while ago, like she in a Miss Jamaica World and Beer things. I excel as she used to go, okay? Listen to the 3 names I'm going to give you right now and tell me who you think best capture the spirit there, right?
Yeah.
Lady Song, Spice, Shensia. Which one of them you think have the unstoppable warrior energy there?
Well, I'd have to say Lady Saw still. Because
why? You know, I used to go to school warm.
No, man, because from you start know about dancehall, you always hear about Lady Saw, and she's still relevant even to today.
Yeah.
So that's what you embody as unstoppable warrior.
Yeah, man.
So even when she turned Christian, she's still really capturing media, and everybody's like, yo, you need to come back. Yeah, I'd pick Lady Saw.
All right, nothing wrong with that. Big up yourself. Oh, Marian Hall, that's what we should call her. She gone over in her church thing, so Marian Hall, say it.
Yeah, I'm big up my bridging face. Good performance. So, yeah, Marian Hall. Big up yourself, unstoppable warrior.
Did you just sneak in the big up segment a while ago?
Yeah, I have to, you know.
Jesus, man, smooth it a while ago, you know. Big up, man.
Yes, I'll be stepping.
Okay, so Lipstyck, she has a song called Unstoppable Warrior.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a list of women, and you tell me who you feel is the most unstoppable woman. All right. So I'm going to give you Marcia Griffiths. I'm going to give you Pampute. And I am going to give you Nadine Sutherland.
Okay, Marcia Griffiths.
Who?
Marcia Griffiths.
Marcia Griffiths. Who do you say?
Oh,
I said who do you say?
The Angel.
Oh, you would say the Angel?
Yes.
Okay, say that shit. Why? You say that the Angel is hardworking?
Because you know, she had that lyrically, her song lyrically.
Oh, okay. And why you say Marcia Griffiths?
Because she's a great woman, she's a mother, everything song is so nice.
Yeah.
So she's the greatest woman in Jamaica.
All right.
Also, electric boogie.
Yeah.
Shocking, shocking, strong.
All right, thank you very much, ladies. Thank you.
I'm a warrior.
Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another Answer This segment here at the Reggae Sumfest 2019. So I walked around and asked people which from the list them feel is an unstoppable warrior. Them give me them answers and it makes sense. Okay, so I want you to tell me down in the comments below who is an unstoppable warrior for you. And please make sure you go and follow Lipstyck on social media and check out the Big Bad Song. See our social media right here. So check it out, people. Until next time, answer this.